I'm going to trade it, and I'm going to play the game the way it needs to be played, out of the gates with it. And Dom mentioned best offense is a good this has definitely been a case of the best defense is a good offense. But to be clear, Target had a lot of room to make up in multiple with Walmart, which also is trading in excess of its 5-year average historical multiple, as is Target at this point. I think you have to fade it. I just think it's been such a great run. There's nothing that they're doing wrong here.
Hang on.
But this multiple is
We got a multiple. You started with trade it.
Traded it.
Then you faded it. I think it's faded.
Yeah, I meant to fade it.
I think this one you've got to trade it because you're going into an election year. This is a company that just continues to get growth the right ways, and they're starting to figure out the whole monetization process much better than they once did years ago. They've actually gotten that, and they're getting more and more customers. I think when you've got the president that we've got in office, that almost alone tells you, hey, Twitter is the place to be. This is the place to voice yourself. It might be nasty. Bob Iger doesn't like it. They thought about buying it. Somebody might still step up at some point in the future. Yeah. And maybe not Disney, but somebody might step up for Twitter.
So I'm going to trade this one, and I do believe that you have a tailwind of that deal that is eventually coming down the pike. And if we start to see a resurrection of value over growth, this one yields over 3%. I'm going to trade this, and I'm sure.
I'm going to waive J.P. Morgan, not with the I, not the W-A-V-E, and this is the reason why. I understand it's a premier franchise. I get it, but you know what? It's priced that way. Tangible book in J.P. Morgan last quarter was 57.5, 58. It is trading close to 2 times tangible book. That is a lofty valuation in this market. Yes, they deserve it, but how much more are you going to get? Which is why I say waive it with an I.